Welcome to this week's lab on seedless vascular plants. Today, we are traveling 400 million years back in time to look at a living fossil, Psilotum. Psilotum nudum, commonly known as the Whisk Fern, is a window into the deep past. It represents one of the earliest vascular plant body plans on Earth. Unique among modern vascular plants, Psilotum is characterized by its remarkable simplicity, which was once thought to be a direct link to the Devonian era. Unlike most plants you see today, Psilotum lacks true roots. It anchors itself and absorbs nutrients via an underground rhizome system. It also lacks true leaves. These small, scale-like structures called donations have no vascular tissue, making the stem the primary site of photosynthesis. This green, wiry stem is not just a support structure. It is the plant's powerhouse, carrying out gas exchange through numerous stomata. One of the most distinctive traits for identification is its dichotomous branching. Notice how each stem forks into two equal divisions. This Y-shaped pattern is a primitive trait, characteristic of the earliest vascular plants that colonized our planet over 400 million years ago. When it comes to reproduction, look for these bright yellow, globular structures known as synangia, typically found in the axils of the donations. Each synangium is actually a fused group of 3 sporangia. These house the homosporous spores that will eventually release to grow into gametophytes. Once released, these spores develop into tiny, subterranean gametophytes, which rely on a symbiotic relationship with fungi to survive. Though modern genetics places them with ferns, their simplified morphology provides an invaluable living model of early terrestrial plant life. For your lab verification, follow your instructor's specific lab verification protocol. Ensure the synangia are in focus and look for the branching pattern. Take a close look under the microscope. You should be able to clearly identify the 3 chambers of the fused sporangia within each synangium. To summarize, remember the key evolutionary traits: a primitive body plan, the complete absence of true roots, and no true leaf structures. Combined with its dichotomous branching and fused synangia, Psilotum remains one of the most fascinating subjects in plant biology. Happy studying!